And to round off this video, the question that's been on everyone's lip: have we ever dated? Have we ever been romantically intertwined? Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, we look so tanned.
Bro, this is actually such a
We
photo.
look really tanned. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm with a very exciting guest today. All the way from, I don't actually think he played at Coachella, Central C!
Oh, what's up guys?
Woo! We thought it would be really fun to film a Say It or Shot It.
You thought it would be really fun.
I thought it would be really fun to film Say It or Shot It. This is kind of an excuse for me to break my 75 heart. Some of you guys might remember Jacob back in his YouTube days, but he's here to resurrect his reputation today.
You know, one of my friends said that I shouldn't do it because it will ruin my my cool kid brand.
Yeah, the quiet and the mysterious. It's not very quiet, mysterious.
I'm going to try my best to be mysterious. That doesn't really work in this, does it? I guess we'll be getting drunk then.
We both asked on our own Instagram. So I asked for questions for Jacob, Jacob asked for questions for me.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like we have a lot of questions just surrounding us and our relationship.
I know.
So I've got a really itchy nose. I would say if you've got bigger nostrils, are you a more efficient breather?
I think so, you know. Yeah.
Or does it just compensate?
Because you have quite small nostrils.
Yeah.
This one time, yeah, I must have been 10 and I posted a selfie on Facebook and someone replied who was in the year above me at school and they were like, your nostrils are fucking weird. I was like, and ever since then I've been insecure about my nostrils, so.
Your nostrils are weird.
Yeah, because they're quite like long. So.
Well, I've got a really weird thing about my belly button. Like, I hate my belly button because I had a belly button account made of me when I was
You had a belly button account?
Yeah, I was like 16. I had an Instagram account made about it. Some of you will remember it, I'm sure. But that really threw me off for a while. And it's still,
I think you have a nice belly button.
I don't like mine. It's really deep.
Can I see?
I can like fit my whole pinky in.
Yeah, mine's deep as well. And I always, you know what I used to think? I used to think that if your belly button's deep, it means you're overweight.
Yeah, sit more forward. Act like you're interested.
I'm trying to hold my cool kid vibe.
Why did the social climbers disperse?
Yeah, good question. If you don't know the social climbers, it was like our old YouTube group, and it didn't really like. We didn't really like disperse. It was more like after lockdown, we kind of just went our different ways.
It's just real life,
yeah.
I guess.
And not everyone does YouTube anymore. Like I don't do YouTube. We're all like in different lanes now, but
you're all still friends.
Yeah, we all still see each other. We were together the other day actually, and it was like, damn, this is a throwback. Like, and I was like, we should actually do a YouTube video for old time's sake.
Would you ever like? Yeah, you should.
That'd be fun.
Would you ever start YouTube again?
Yeah, maybe. It would look different though.
We've got tequila as well today to shot.
Why did my brother say that?
Oh, for fuck's sake, the amount I've had of those.
Who's your least favourite influencer?
Chris Ingham.
That's such a cop-out.
Yeah. Wait, we'll make it more specific. Give me a specific.
Okay, who is your least favourite female influencer in the scene at the moment?
One of the twins who's just been on Love Island made one of my friends cry.
Oh, okay, got it.
The other night.
That's so good
really
because you've said one of them, so it could be either.
One of them.
Yeah.
So if you get pressed about that, the shoe fits. But she was really bellowing some abusive terms at one of my friends and made her cry, and she left the vicinity, and I just didn't think that was nice.
Very nice, no.
No. How much is your apartment a month to rent this apartment? Everyone, guys, if you haven't seen Jacob's apartment, go to his Instagram. I feel like your apartment is hot online.
I know,
territory. People love it.
People
it's really nice.
My apartment rather than me. It's about 1,500.
Oh, all together?
Huh?
All together?
No, bills on top.
Oh, well, yeah, no, but it's in like not each.
Yeah, no, 1,500, and then I've got a flatmate, so. Yeah.
Gorge. Has it always stayed the same price since you moved in?
It's complicated, but I have a good relationship with my landlord and I give him favours. Something like that. What's your least favourite thing about me?
Not now, but in the past.
Yeah.
The way you move with women.
Oh, really? Okay.
Just too many girls. Too many girls, and I'd meet them all. Okay, this was the thing. I was the one meeting them all. I'd be like, they're really nice. So was the last one, and it would be shimmy up of like, which one do I invite out to night.
The last one was a good one though.
Oh, yeah. Last one, love her. Nothing but love for her. They were all, but like before, a long time before that.
But that was the old me.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. But you just
that's the context.
went through a lot of women, and it was hard for me to keep up and be nice to all of them, and you know, be like, oh. Yeah, so Jacob, and they'd be like, yeah, and like watch them get all excited, and I was like, baby girl, you're on a roster of about 8. What's your job?
Oh, good question.
You used to have a
real job. Yeah.
A real job.
Well, how I make money, how I pay my $1,500 a month. I'll work with brands on social media. They pay me to make videos for them.
Sorry.
Hot.
The parmesan.
The way you held that quite well.
Yeah, so
I feel like there's few girls who can burp and get away with it, but you can burp and get away with it.
It's because I always have.
Yeah,
so
you do farm it, don't you?
It's not a surprise.
Right. Do you have a fart? Sorry, next.
Yeah, recently.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're getting a bit gassy.
And I never used to be a farter.
What is your biggest kink?
No. My mum watches these. No, but I haven't.
This is the first shot, isn't it?
Yeah. Guys, breaking my 75 hard for you. Is it really gross that every time I take a drink, I just stick my gum up there and then recycle?
No, I get it.
It's fucking huge.
How's that?
So on brand. Just like a little Coke to rate my ex's favourite to least favourite. Okay, so just say the names that the letters begin with. But then you only know 2 of mine.
Wait, okay, tell me the names.
Okay, so we got
Yeah.
Let's put in there for a bit of fun.
Okay, number 1 V, number 2 B, and number 3 C, obviously. Do the math. Yeah, right, you asked me. What's your biggest fear? That's quite deep. Why are you shy?
You're not shy, it's just that you're taking it really seriously.
No, you're shy.
That was like a joke. Oh, stop it. He's one of those bitches, he thinks he's psychoanalyzing, but he's not. He's not. I do think like, it's scary to me, the thought of like, very lucky to be the way I am, but it's more so from a I can self-suffice.
Yeah, you're self-sufficient.
Self-sufficient, yeah.
Yeah.
And like not being able to do that one day, or like even like when I'm married, like even if I was with someone who was in a really good job, I've never had to like pinch money from anyone, and I'd hate that like when I buy something it's out of their pocket. Like I'd want it from me.
You want to be.
But then I'd also want to share my money with them. So.
Yeah, you're a bit of a breadwinner.
Unless they're broke.
You're a bit of a breadwinner. Let me a tenner. No, let me a tenner though.
No.
Oh no.
Would you rather lick the floor of a public bathroom or never wear that headband again?
I'm not wearing it now.
What would you rather?
Wait, that's crazy. More time I wear a headband because I have curly hair and it's always
I no one gives a
everywhere.
fuck about this. Would you rather lick the bathroom floor or wear the headband?
So I can never wear the headband again?
No.
I'd probably lick the bathroom floor.
Ah!
What's your body count? It has to be in there. Is it say or shot it?
Absolutely not. Jacob, what is... No, I'm not. Show really up close to the camera the like itty bit of your earpods.
Wait, what?
Of your earpods.
Of my AirPods?
Yeah.
Or what?
We'll take a shot.
Oh yeah, I'll take a shot for that. Yeah.
Wait, get a Coke to chase it with, because you're gonna
Can I have yours?
Yeah, but we're gonna be battling.
Battling?
Okay, well let me have the first sip of it.
No.
It's just really boring.
That's weird, it tastes like piss.
Oh, when you breathe.
Oh, it's smoky as well. How much money do you have in your bank account?
In my name, my current.
I want to know your asset, your net worth.
My net worth would be in my house as well.
Yeah. Okay, let's do bank account. Current account, how much you got?
Like a couple £100.
Is it? Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my business doesn't look much better.
Oh, is it not? Either my savings is not great either.
Who is your least favourite influencer in the industry, in art and media industry? anyone who gets on your tits. It could be an irrational, like, oh, they're annoying. Or it's like someone...
You know what, usually I would, like, way back in my heyday, I'd have cussed someone out because I was problematic. But now I'm like, I can't really think
Also, I don't even think we have anyone we dislike.
Yeah. Okay, that's getting a bit too much now.
Oh, it's really pesto-y, that one.
Really, really pesto-y. I just cooked food for Flossie.
Go over to Jacob's Instagram if you want to see
It's on my
that.
TikTok and my Instagram. I really got anyone I don't like. Wait, no, I do. I thought of someone the other day. And I remember saying there's not that many people I don't like, but I don't like that person. I can't even remember who it is, you know. I'm gonna have to shop. Ah!
No, why do boys think that if a girl is aroused, her nipples get hard?
Is that true?
That's the dumbest shit I've ever fucking heard in my life. You think we get little boners on our nipples? You're cold.
No, but...
You're cold.
Okay, I don't really know. I don't really have expertise in that business. Okay, Snog Murray Boyd, Ben Morris, Spencer Elmer, and Carmi Solito.
Oh, I've never had this one before in my life.
You're being sarcastic.
No.
Can I say what I think you'd do? I think that you'd marry Carmi. I think you'd snog Spencer and avoid Ben. Or would you snog Ben, avoid Spencer?
I would marry Carmi, but I wouldn't want him to raise my kids.
Yeah, I'd hate for Carmi to raise my
Carmi,
kids.
we love you, but I just wouldn't want you to. I don't think I want you daddy to
my
raise kids.
goodness.
I just wouldn't trust you. I think you'd do dangerous things with them, or like put them in your Snapchat videos down off a balcony or something like that.
Imagine little Solitos running around.
Yeah, chaos.
Raw.
They'd be so cute. Oh my god, we're all gonna have kids one day. Oh my god, a whole separate conversation.
People are having kids lately. It's
People
crazy.
do be having kids.
I want kids.
Same.
What do you want your kids to look like?
I want gorgeous mixed Indian babies. I do, with my beautiful boyfriend.
What kids do I want? I just want pretty cool kids. I want them to be sporty. If my kids aren't sporty as long.
I was like a really sporty kid.
You are?
Yeah. I can't do left
You
and
don't
right.
strike me as sporty.
I ain't got.
Didn't you do some tennis campaign? Slazenger thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it wasn't tennis wear.
You know who I met who was on my brand trip? Chandra?
Love her.
Yeah, she's cute.
Love her.
Yeah, she's nice.
She is a babe.
Yeah.
Cool girl energy.
She's cool.
Marry Carmi and accept a life with no children. I think Ben would be a good dad, but he's always out the country.
I don't know if Ben would be a good dad either, to be fair.
He'd be a very absent father.
Spencer would probably be the best father.
Yeah, do you know, yeah, actually, but I just feel like I don't see Spencer as much as I see Ben and Carmi, so it could be quite an uncomfortable marriage / interaction because I just don't see him around as much, but I think he's great.
Maybe you should see him more.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. What do you reply to that? Get away! Who's your favourite and your least favourite of the social climbers?
I think I'm gonna have to shot, you know.
Really?
Yeah. I'll tell you off camera.
Oh, so you have them? It's horrible.
Take me back to Mexico. Okay, who is your least favourite friend of mine?
I have one.
Have you actually?
Yeah.
Are you gonna say it?
No.
Can you whisper it to me? Oh, for real? Wait, for real? Just say it.
No.
Just say it.
No. No.
Wait, swear?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Oh, I just can't.
Wait, for real?
No.
How many times have you met him?
It's a drone.
Oh shit, it is. They're spying on us.
They're getting that Flossie like Patreon exclusive.
I think it's looking at us.
God, they look so wobbly in the air, but they're not.
Hello.
I'll take a shot to that.
Nice, cheese. No chaser? Nah, you got a chaser. Let's see.
Oh.
What's your type?
Why don't we tell each other what we think each other's types is? Because I feel like
no.
that's better.
Okay, but like...
Yeah, I'll be good. Your type, beautiful women. Like, wow, tall, leggy women. Limmy women.
Yeah, I like a long girl.
You like a model. You like a sweetheart, I would say. You like a sweet girl who's hot.
That's actually quite a good way of putting... And what?
Rich. That's your type.
Your type is... Yours is a tricky one, you know.
I don't think
because you don't really have a track record.
Dark hair is all I'd say.
Yeah, I'd say that your type is someone who's got like something about them, and that isn't always the same thing. And that something about them can be like, it can be confidence, it can be swagger, it can be cash flow, it can be... But You need them to hold something that is.
Yeah, well, I
excellent.
fucking hope my boyfriend holds some sort of value.
Yeah.
Like just a little bit. Doesn't matter what it is, just
They
something.
need something, yeah, that's your type.
No job, if you're confident, you're in.
None of the last things you've gone for, they look the same. None of them look the same.
None of them are the same, but I
Very
feel
different.
like that's because I get so...
Many
I've had
boys
such
chasing you.
bad taste. Like now I'm finally with someone really nice. He is the polar opposite to anyone I've been with before, because that just...
He's a lot more sound, he's a lot more like...
Guys.
And it's nice that he's not in the industry as well.
We just love him.
Yeah, he's cute.
We both love him.
Yeah, I really like him.
Yeah, do you approve of it?
Yeah, shout out to you, V. Bad man. What was I going to say?
Bad man.
My pesto is spilling over there on Bliss Chest.
Is it?
It's all good, I'll do after.
Can you shut the window?
Yeah.
I'm really cold. What's your body count?
Oh, straight there.
Yeah!
Shut.
So nasty. Yeah?
Bro, it's like petrol.
I heard that.
Hey!
I heard that. I heard that. It does, it just comes back up. Have you ever had a girl put a finger in your bum?
No, I haven't.
Here you go.
Are you...
Go, ask me a question.
Oh, yeah, I thought you... Bro, I was like, are you about to put a finger in my ass? Anyway, do you feel like you have any fake friendships?
Oh my god, this is what I mean, the fucking psychoanalyzer is infiltrated us, say it or shut it. Sit forward. I don't think so. I think I've got acquaintances, but I don't have any fake friendships.
That's cool.
I literally will just not talk to you.
Yeah, that's cool.
What is the last text on your phone? Who's it to and what's it say?
To my manager, and I said no, but I have it all on my phone.
Oh, okay.
It's not that exciting. You know what happened the other day? This was, I never felt so affirmed. I was walking along my street and there was a lady who was like passed out on the floor, and I thought she'd like fallen over or something. She was kind of old and I thought she like banged her head, so I like stayed with her and I like gave her my jacket and stuff, and I helped her up, and then the paramedic people came out. As I like lift her up, she keeps like staring at me, and it turns out she's actually just wankered. She's really drunk, and she looks at me and she goes, "You're gorgeous, you are."
Aww.
And I was like, thank you so much.
And then did you see that with a kiss?
Yeah.
Did
On the
you?
cheek, yeah.
Aww.
No.
That's nice. And to round off this video, the question that's been on everyone's lip: have we ever dated? Have we ever been romantically intertwined? Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. No.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone so much for watching. I feel like this was a really fun, kind of light-hearted video. I really enjoyed like doing a sit-down one, not a vlog.
Yeah.
I haven't done something like this in
And
so long.
it's weird as well, because when I used to do YouTube, it all felt so like fake, whereas we're actually this.
Yeah, this is really us.
Yeah.
I will have all of Jacob's links, everything in the description box down below. I feel like such a YouTuber saying this. And I'll have it all on screen here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have all of my social medias linked down below in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up.
This is crazy.
As well,
Give
if
this
you've
video
made
a
it to
thumbs
the
up.
end. And comment what emoji do you want? What emoji do you like at the moment?
Comment, what is your favourite thing about Flossie?
No, that's quite... You've got to use brain cells for that.
Comment what you had. Comment what your last meal was.
Yeah, comment what your last meal was.
I'm actually interested.
Yeah, or even just DM us and tell us.
Yeah, our last meal was truffle mashed potato
I'll put a pic on.
with sea bass and rocket and basil pesto.
It was fantastic. Jacob's an excellent cook. We love you all so much. My camera's literally just about to run out of storage. See you soon.
Bye. Sick.